Uh, Hello guys. Today I will teach you how to install SSL certificate in subdomain, not a domain, subdomain. Because last video I put the uh, SSL certificate for my main domain, like this one, like this on the salon105.com. Now today I made one subdomain here for the salon105.com info dot like that. So this is my subdomain. If I try this one, I will show you here. uh, Info dot the salon105.com. If I try this one, this is give me like this kind of result. The site is not secure. Okay, so and you can use the https something like that, because here already said certificate error, right? So I will go to put or install SSL certificate in this subdomain. Okay, so let's see. Just click in this subdomain. Now, so you can see here, you have SSL certificate here, just one. This one is for the shalom105.com, because one certificate for one domain. Okay, so you can use the same certificate in every website, so every domain. So that's why, so I have to go here, and then I'll go back again, and then I will go to here, and put the let's encrypt one more time here, and then this is my web email address. I just install. It takes a little bit time because it's working right now, it's processing right now for this info dot. See here, now information come the let's encrypt SSL TSL certificate has been installed on info dot the salon105.com subdomain. Okay, so let's try to see that. Okay, see here. So this one is our previous one. So this one is now and I read for the just we made that, right? Info dot salon 105.com. So just click here. Okay, so we can see that SSL certificate here. Let's try to put that certificate in our subdomain. Let's see. So for that, so go back to here, and just click to hosting setting, and then choose here. So here is already they choose that. If not, so you have to choose let's encrypt info.salon105.com. Okay, just click here, and then you should have to choose this one. Okay, always. So it's okay, so you don't have to change anything here, just apply. Setting, the setting were successfully updated. Okay, just click OK here. Let's try to see after this process done. So we have to go and check there, so our domain has a certificate or not, right? So here, so we have a still I'm here, so just go and refresh this one. Wow, see here, now your domain, this domain is now secure. So you can see here, right? Secure. And then this one is open. So like this you can install your SSL certificate for like subdomain also. Okay, so if you are like in your new viewers, please go and like and subscribe my channels, because I'm going to make like a new videos of Elementro, because from like download to how to install and like their internal part, everything. So you can see that all the videos in my channel. So go and subscribe that. Thank you very much.